I'm the best. I'm very good. What I'm doing is the best thing. Yeah, you told. We have already done it. Yeah, you sent this. It's old. I've already sent my report. Oh, people love me. I made my presentation. People said, you are super. Client said, marvelous. It's all about narcissism. How to deal with that? Would you like to share how to deal with that? If you remember? 360. What do you mean by 360 feedback? For narcissist, yes, the 360, but for the narcissist, I also call them as a tumor. But some are good, so give them a specialist job. Give them where they don't need to deal with so many people, they just need to deal once head or chairman or CEO or GM or manager. So don't give them a team assignment because they will not able to work in team. But if you make them a consultant, a design consultant, for that matter, a legal head or XYZ, I don't want to name it. So, but the point is, it helps them to do their job independently. I have a big room, I have a Macintosh, oh, our company has given me car, let them be happy. They're very good, but they need to give their results. So again, like alphas, narcissists are not, all narcissists are bad because in order to have their self-love, they want to produce best of the best. But unfortunately, they are not able to work in a team. Unfortunately, they will not accept him as a partner, as someone who's support, as someone who will help do the job. They will not. That's the unfortunate part. But as a company, think about 5,000 people company or 10,000 people company. We have to accept that we have narcissists. But the best, what you have said, how to make them good, give them assignment where they can produce best, but don't make them part of the team. Question, before I request my group to speak in Arabic. Question on narcissist. Is that okay? Easy, yeah. We all are like narcissists.
It is built in or acquired?
That's a very good question. Generally, these behaviors are having some genetics as well, but mostly these are acquired behaviors. Since they are acquired, it's easy to change. But as I say, do we need to change it as an organization? Are we running a clinic or we are running an organization? Do we really need to invest? Yes, if there is a more value, if HR, line manager, and the management they decide we need this person, then we start working on the coaching and kind of all those techniques. But if we say it's not required, as you said, let the person, let him or her go. But generally the narcissists are those organizations want to keep them for some time because you're gonna get a lot of value addition as compared to snakes. One more thing about narcissists. Generally these people are having power. They're not like snake at the middle level. They are kind of a level where they have kind of a authority to say something. Or they're opinion makers kind of thing. Because mostly they are specialists.
Some famous doctors are, we have this, some famous editors.
Yes. Generally, if you look at the narcissists, as I said, specialists, doctors, architects, lawyers, finance people, sometimes at the level of very senior. So they are very specialist. Sales and marketing, sometimes they become narcissist. Not alpha, but the business plan which I've made, no one else can make it. So you got to be careful about these people. As I say,
not so much harmful to the organization.
they are harmful in a way. They are okay. The another point about narcissists, they stress themselves a lot. So you feel some are heart patient, some are having blood pressure, I'm having anxiety, some are having anxiety, some are having depression.